Hi, I'm Noelle. Over the years, I've helped so many Squarespace customers realize the full potential of their website's design as they build their brands and audience. Today, I'm going to do the same for you and cover a few essentials to help create a stronger visual identity online. Let's jump right into it so you can get the most out of your Squarespace website. Fonts and colors set the tone of your site, and they are the first impression for your visitors. Match the right fonts to your aesthetic by heading over to the Fonts panel, and under Global Text Styles, click Assign Styles. Or, while editing a page, click the paintbrush icon and click Fonts. From there, you can change whichever font you like across your site. You can switch between sans serif or serif, and some fonts are perfect for pairing. That is why Squarespace offers a mixed tab when choosing a font combination that already has a stylish presence and can represent your brand perfectly. To change your site-wide colors, click the paintbrush icon and then Colors. Click Edit Palette. You can either choose from a preset curation of colors, you can upload an image to generate a palette, or you can manually choose a primary color using the color picker. Your site header is where your title or logo and site navigation is displayed. This can play a big role in how visitors navigate and interact with your site. Try out different styles by clicking Edit in your site preview, hover over the header, and click Edit Site Header. You can edit your title, logo, image, add or hide buttons, social icons, shopping cart icons, or even customer accounts login. When building your site and adding images, consider adding some extra personality by using image shapes. These tools can add a unique visual effect to any image. Navigate to Design, choose Shape, and then click the shape and ratio you'd like to use. Change button shapes and fonts across your site by opening Site Styles and then click Buttons. Then click which type you want to style, primary, secondary, or tertiary. Squarespace allows you to alter the text, shape, outline, and both horizontal and vertical padding of any button. Lastly, consider adding a scrolling block to your site, similar to a theater marquee or news ticker. A scrolling block adds text that scrolls horizontally across your page. Edit a page or post and click Scrolling from the menu. In the Content tab, add or edit text, and you can even turn the block into a clickable link by adding a website address in the link field. Squarespace has features just like these already available to our customers, with even more on the way. Stay tuned for updates on how you can focus your business, brand, and audience with Squarespace's all-in-one suite of products. And remember, you've got this.